Hello everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to Cosmic Spice. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can have facial spa benefits right at your home convenience. We all know how life gets busy with the kids, work, school, studies, etc., and the list is never ending. And it becomes really tough to go outside and find a time for yourself and get yourself a really good facial. So how about if we can have the same benefits that you can have outside right at home? And if you have been following me on Instagram, you might already know that I'm talking about the facial spa kit by Nu Skin. I have been using this spa kit for more than a month now, and I think it is a good time for me to give you guys my honest reviews. So let's get this started. Facial kit comes with two products. The one is conductive gel and the other one is the conductor. So what this conductor actually does, as you can see, the design of this conductor is very small, compact, yet very powerful. And this is a FDA approved medical device, so it's very safe to use. This actually works on a microcurrent technology which stimulates your body cells and make it look younger and much more toned. So when I started using this myself, there are a couple of things that I found really helpful. First is the compact size of this device. It fits even the smallest drawer of my cupboard. The second thing is there are no wires attached. It doesn't need any charging station. So how it works is there are two AAA batteries. You put them on and that's it. This is gonna last you for a long time. The next thing is the whole facial process does not last for more than 10 minutes from start to end. It takes just 10 minutes and you're all set. The last thing is I can use this device anywhere in the house, even while I'm watching TV or even if I'm reading a book and doing it side by side. It's really convenient. So those are the 4 selling points, and that's my honest review to you guys. I'm going to start this process by taking off all the makeup from my face. Then I'm going to use the cleanser. Here I'm using Nu Skin's Gentle Cleanse and Tone Cleanser. I'm going to take a little bit on my fingertips and I'll rub it nicely all over my face. It will help to take out all that remaining makeup if there is any. This smells like nice rose water. I wish you could guys smell it. I'm going to wash my face. After that, I'm going to take the conductive gel. I'm going to take a generous amount of this and put it all over my face. Make sure you avoid the eye area. I'm going to put a nice thick layer all over my face. I'm going to use NAPCA moisture mist here. I'm going to spray it on my fingertips and put those fingertips right behind the conductor. This mist definitely helps you to have a better conductivity, but it is definitely optional. This device gives you a couple of settings. I'm going to put it on number 4, which allows you 5-minute timer. Once you put that on your face, then you're going to hear 3 beeps, which means that you have a good conductivity going on and the device is working properly. In every 10 seconds you're going to hear a beep, which just tells you that it is in active mode right now. I'm going to do nice gentle upward strokes. I'm going to put them for a couple of seconds more on my problem areas. Wherever you think you have wrinkles or little loose skin going on. use if you lose contact with your skin. You can see the machine stops working and it will start blinking. Make sure that you have contact with your skin all the time. After 5 minutes are done, it's going to beep twice, so you'll know that the process is over. Then I'm gonna take a wet wipe and take off all the extra conductive gel that must have left on my face. Next, I'm going to use rejuvenating gel mask by New Skin. I'm going to take a little bit of product on my fingertips and put a nice thin layer all over my face, avoiding the eye areas. This has anti-aging properties, which definitely helps the age lock ingredients sink deep inside the skin. I'm going to keep this for 5 minutes and wash it off. You can see the skin feels really good. Then I'm going to end this process by using a Radiant Day Cream by New Skin. This again has the age lock properties. You can use any moisturizing cream that you usually use if you're using it, if you're doing this process in the daytime. If you're doing this process in the nighttime, then make sure that you're putting a night cream on. And we are all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in buying this product for yourself, or even if you want to gift it to your friends or family, or to even yourself, please take advantage of the $150 off discount that they're giving away. I'm going to put a link to this product right in the description box. Please go ahead and check it out. The discount won't last forever, so right now is the time to get yourself or to your friends and family a Thanksgiving or a Christmas gift. So this product actually comes for $387, and with the $150 off right now they are giving it away for only $225. That's a great deal, and please go ahead and check out the blog. And the other New Skin products that I used in this video are also on sale with 20% off. Their discount code is in that link. Please go ahead and check it out. If you have liked this video, please subscribe. And make sure you comment and like this video, and I will see you guys next time with a newer video. Till then, have fun.